All right, what's up, guys? Got the stretch kit for the bike. Getting ready to go for a ride today. First time it's been decent weather out here in Colorado in quite a while. A little cloudy, but should be like 60 degrees. We'll be fine. Probably gonna put on 150, we'll see, maybe 200 miles. Grab some lunch, but let's check out what we're gonna do. We gotta get this stuff painted. So we went with the RedFox Bagger kit. I believe 6 down, 9 out. Fender lids with the 8s, stretch tank, stretch side covers. All right, so we're gonna be getting that painted over the next couple weeks. It's gonna go on the 21 Road Glide Special. Thought we were gonna do a color change, go to like a storm gray or something, black airbrush, kind of a two-tone, but I think we're gonna keep it all black. So we're gonna work on getting that stuff painted, getting everything mocked up, hopefully get the stuff finalized the next 2-3 weeks. We'll see the paint guy, see how fast he can get it done. But yeah, excited to get that done, change the look of the bike. All right, now as far as this RedFox Bagger kit, all the fiberglass looks pretty clean, you know, pretty dang close. Doesn't look like a whole lot of prep. Obviously, you got to drill some holes in the bags for the lid hardware, that kind of stuff, get everything lined up for the tank, fender alignment, all that stuff. But looks like most of the prep work's done, so very, very surprised to see that. Now, it did take forever. I mean, it took forever. I think I ordered this in November, and it showed up St. Patrick's Day, day before St. Patrick's Day, something like that. So very excited for that, but we're gonna head on out. Let's go for a ride. We rode up to the Junction Harley dealership. She wants a pretty white one. They have a ton more bikes inside than I'm used to seeing last time I was up here.